Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Robinson here with 1 Minute Math. And we're going to start off with the Pythagorean triplets. So let's do a little Pythagorean theorem first. So we have our formula up there. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know, but I'd rather use this formula. C is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. So we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. We're looking for c. So all we have to do is substitute into our formula those letters. So I'll take A, which is 3, B, which is 4, square it, put everything back first, and that'll give us 3 squared. And if you're not sure what that is, that's 3 times 3, which equals 9, 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which equals 16. Now I got to add those two numbers together to equal to c squared. So 9 plus 16 is 25. And that'll equal to c squared. My last step is always take the square root of both sides, so that way I'll get c by itself, and the square root of 25 is 5, which is my answer for side C. So check out what we did. If you're not sure, we watch the steps because we need this in order to do the Pythagorean triplets. So there's good old Pythagoras down there with his formula. So let's get into the triplets. So our steps are multiply the set of Pythagorean sides that you got, A, B, and C. And C is the one we're interested in, by the way. And then we're going to use the formula to find C. So there's my formula again. So we're going to multiply by a number, by the way, greater than 1. So here's my set of numbers, 3, 4, and 5. If you're wondering where I got it, there was the right triangle. We had A, B, and now C we found. I'm going to take all of those numbers and multiply them, say, by 2 times 2 times 2. And I'm going to get a new set of numbers. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 2 is 10. So my new set of numbers is 6, 8, and 10. What are you going to do with those numbers, Dr. Rob? I'm going to see if that really is a new set of sides for a right triangle. So let me remember my sides. The first one is A, this is my B, and that's going to be my C. So I could use this formula, but I'm going to jump back to the other formula. Make that 2 a little bit better, Dr. Rob, and see if it works. So A is 6, B is 8, and C is 10. I'm going to put back the exponent, the addition sign, the other exponent, and the equal sign on the last exponent. Now, all I got to do to check it out is do my square, get my calculator if I want to, but I know 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64. Hey, this is starting to look familiar. 10 times 10 is 100. Let me put back everything else. The plus sign between them and the equal sign between them. So now I'm down to adding my left side, 36 plus 64, that equals 100. And hey, the other side also equals 100. So this new set of numbers that I got, 6, 8, and 10, is another set of Pythagorean theorem triplets. So that triplet, where did I get it from? You remember 3, 4, and 5. So that's just here's a big time word, dilation of 2. When you get to 8th grade, or when you get to dilations, you know what that means. But I'll just say I multiplied this whole thing by 2. Those are the steps. So these sides are in proportion. Ooh, I'm going to something else, but that's just how we found the Pythagorean theorem. Triplets. So a new set of triplets. So I hope you enjoyed finding that. That was my 1 minute math. So here's one for you. Find the value of C and then find a set of triplets for that. I hope you understand what's going on. If you're not sure, rewatch the video and bring in your questions. I'll be glad to answer them in class. Here's another one, find the value of C, and another set of triplets for this question. And here's one more for you. Find C, then another set of triplets for this. So we got to keep practicing. So I hope you understand what's going on. That's it for Dr. Rob signing off in school working on his video. Bye-bye.